Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to film a video for you guys because this video is one of my all-time favorite videos that I like to do. So this video is probably going to be sponsored by Nuckees. I love them so much and I am partnering up with them and I love them so much. I'm so grateful that they sent me two Nuckees from their fall collection and their, I think, their trend collection. So I love you guys so much and I'll have their links down below. You can follow them on Instagram and their website will be down below, and also Kimberly, I'll have her link down below, her YouTube, her Instagram, and yeah, so I'll have them linked down below, top link of the description. And yeah, so let's get into the video. So I did recently open them because I got them today, and I just got this little pamphlet that says thank you for choosing Nuckees, foam grip and stand. Here's a little hug waiting inside everyone. That's what it looks like. And then on the back it just says Nuckees and there's Kimberly. I love her so much, and again I'll have their links top link in the description. Go check them out, they are the best. So I got two of these Nuckees. This first one is the black glitter cluster. It looks so pretty. And then this one is from their trend collection. And then this one is from Kimber. She created this one for the fall. So this is what it looks like. It's their PSL one. It has the pumpkin spice latte on it, and I love pumpkin spice latte. If you know me, I love them so much. So yeah, so I think I'm gonna put this one on my spec phone case because it's like black and white and it goes perfectly with this one. And then this black one, this black glitter one, I'm gonna put on my hot pink phone case. So that looks pretty good. So I am going to put these on my phone. It's going to tear it open like so. And if you hear like a little whooshing sound, I have my fan on. It's really hot in my room. So this is what the Nuckie looks like. Super pretty, and it has like the little packaging here on how to apply it. I'm just gonna take that off, and then it just tells you how to properly put it on your phone case or phone. So yeah, it just tells you the little instructions when you open the little thingy inside. So again, this is what it looks like. It's super pretty and super girly as well. So I'm going to tear off the back, and I'm going to stick it onto my hot pink phone case. So I'm going to stick it on right here. That's how I usually hold my phone. So again, so this is super cute. I love this one so much, and it goes so good with the hot pink, and it's black, and oh, I'm obsessed. Thank you so much, Nuckees. And then I'm gonna put the PSL one on my spec one. I'm gonna put it right here because it looks good. Ah! Sorry, I did not mean to drop my phone. So I'm gonna put it right here. If it'll go on this, it will fit on my phone case. So I'm just gonna peel off the packaging as well. So I'm just peeling it off. I am taking earphones wants to come out. Hello. Okay. Okay. So then I'm going to just take it out of the packaging. Why is this so hard to take off? Oh, okay. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Again, super pretty. It's super pretty. Super cute. So yeah, I'm gonna take off the sticky part. Okay. And then I'm going to stick it right there. Just gonna press it in, and then this is what it looks like. Ooh, super cute. So again, this is what this one looks on this phone case. Super pretty, super cute. So this is what it looks like on my two phone cases. Super cute. So thank you, Nuckees. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe below this video. Make sure you tap the bell so you're notified whenever I upload a brand new video. And I will see you guys probably tomorrow or next week with a new video.